Welcome to another Studio G tips on how to save money. In this episode, we're going to be talking about saving money, car insurance. How to save money on your car insurance. Car insurance is one of the most expensive things that we can have if you're in a wreck, whether just paying it every month and you don't have any accidents, or if you pay it and you have an accident, you gotta pay this huge deductible. Depending on how old you are, how long you've been driving, where you live at, all that factor into how much you'll pay in car insurance. So I want to go over a few ways where you can save money with your car insurance. Okay, so let me just set up my computer real quick and let's go. Okay, so this article is courtesy of Investopedia, and the ways you can save money with your car insurance is: number one, take advantage of multi-car discounts. So if you have more than one car, or if you have people living in your house like kids under 21 and they have a car, you can put them on your car insurance and you can get a good discount. Also, you can add, if you own a home, you can add your car insurance to your homeowner's policy, and that'll save you money. Number two, pay attention to the road. Okay, that basically means be a safe driver. Getting a lower car rate on insurance doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes as you get older, as you drive safer, you get lower discounted rates. Safe drivers save between 10 and 20%, so you want to be a safe driver. Number three, take a defensive driving course. I took a defensive driving course when I was in the military. Matter of fact, I took about 3 or 4 of them, and a lot of these insurance companies, if you take that course and produce the documents for taking it, they'll give you a discount. I know Geico does. I'm not sure about a lot of other places. But if you take a defensive driving course, that'll help you 2 ways. It'll make you a better driver, and you can get a discount. Number 4, shop around for better car insurance. There are tons and tons of car insurance companies. So if you want to get a better deal on car insurance, check out other companies. If you use Progressive, check out Geico. If you use Allstate, check out Progressive. So shop around for a better car insurance. Number 5, use mass transit. Now that just depends on where you live at and your lifestyle, because I know some people don't like riding mass transit because it's dangerous in some areas. So if you live in an area and they have very good mass transit, some days you might want to take the train or the bus to your location you need to get to. So sometimes using mass transit can save you money, especially if it's a good system. Number 6, downsize your vehicle. If you got a big, huge SUV, maybe you want to downsize to a smaller car, because the bigger the car, the more the insurance. Okay, so that's a way you can save your money, by getting a smaller vehicle. Number 7, increase your deductible. If you have a $250, you might want to raise it to $500 deductible. If you have a $500 deductible, you might want to raise it to $1,000. That's something you'll have to decide. But if you raise your deductible, you can get a lower rate. Okay. Number 8, improve your credit score. Yes, they do take into account your credit score on your insurance. That's one of the first things they check. So you want to improve your credit score and you get cheaper rate. Number 9, consider location when estimating car insurance rates. Now I know you just can't up and move because your car insurance is high, but if you're planning on moving, depending on where you live at, your zip code, that also factors into your car insurance. When I moved around a couple years ago, my car insurance actually went up. Okay, so depending on where you live, if you're planning on moving, you might want to check the rates in that location or zip code. Number 10, review your coverage. Okay, dropping certain coverage may help you. Review it, ask questions, call your policyholder, ask them questions about your policy if you don't understand anything about your policy, because they send you a big thick little thing every time you renew it, and you might need to read those things to make sure you're covered all the way, and also make sure you're not paying for something you don't need, because some of them add roadside assistance, but you might have roadside assistance with another company through your phone or through another company's promotions. So you just want to check into that. Number 11, get discounts for installing anti-theft devices. Just today, I saw on the news that a lot of people are getting these GPS devices implanted in their car because there's a lot of car thieves. So you might want to look into getting some kind of anti-theft device and call your insurance holder and see if they'll give you a discount if you get one of those. Number 12, speak to your agent. It's always important to touch base with your company to see if they might give you a discount just for the longevity that you've been with them. Usually when you get your renewal policy, they give you a little tiny discount, just depending. But if you call them and let them know you're concerned, your bills is high, you ain't had no wrecks or nothing, and you let them know that, they sometimes give you a discount. Switch to pay-as-you-go insurance. If you're a safe, low mileage driver, usage-based insurance programs will help you. So they only base your insurance on when you use the vehicle. Number 14, research additional discounts. Okay, so it's always additional discounts for being a senior citizen, being a veteran, having a garage, working from home. If you don't drive a lot and work from home, that's a discount. If you have a garage, that's a discount. Okay, so research other discounts. Number 15, ditch coverage you may not need. Again, you may have all the bells and whistles of a policy, okay, but you may not need all of that. So sometimes you may want to switch out of a different policy and cut down on some of the coverage. Okay, so this was a video about saving money on your car insurance. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video and you learned the way to save money, hit the like button. Share this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.